Vice Governor of the Province of Laguna and the National President of the League of Vice Governors of the Philippines. I'm now attending the 26th National Convention of the Girl Scouts of the Philippines, being the Council President of the Laguna Girl Scout Council.
Okay. Sige. So,
Ano po bang maitulong sa GSP na i-held dito sa Cagayan de Oro 26 Convention?
Actually, just like in the League of Vice Governors, it is an enriching experience to hold the National Assembly, National Convention in different islands of the Philippines. We go to Luzon, we go to Visayas, we go to Mindanao to experience the culture and of course to taste the food, the delicacies of each province has to offer. Yesterday, I was able to taste your buko halo. We don't have that in Laguna, but we have so many buko pie, and it's really delicious. And I would like also my fellow Lagunense to see that what we can do with the buko. And going back to the Girl Scouts, we aim for different means and methods to enrich the young girls all over the Philippines. And not only I am from Luzon or I am from Visayas or I am from Mindanao, but as a Girl Scout, we aim to uplift the lives and also to teach the young girls how to be efficient, resourceful, and of course in their own means capable of doing what they want to do.
Vice, anong mga ages? May bracket ba yon sa pagiging Girl Scout?
Actually, I started from the lowest rank, the Twinkler. I started as Twinkler, that is the preschool, kindergarten. Then we go to the Star Scouts, grades 1 to 3. We go to the Junior Scouts, and Junior Scouts is grade 4 to 6, and the high school is our Senior Scouts. Then we have the Cadet, the Young Adult, and eventually the officers of the council.
As a Vice Governor, what projects did you lobby for GSP this 2024?
Well, in Laguna, we held the tree planting, the usual tree planting. Then our outdoor sports, outdoor orientation for the girls. We brought them to the Splash Mountain, and the other one is the Enchanted Kingdom, which is one of the famous theme parks in the Philippines. Not just to enjoy, but also to interact with fellow Girl Scouts.
We've interviewed yesterday Vice Gov about Acapulco, which is very helpful. It's an went out of anong malaman ba yun?
Sani?
And from Davao, and they were awardees for they were third placer in the national award. So ini-plan po na mai-adapt ng ibang mga regions. Kasi po nakakatulong siya kasi it's about
well, the awards are just confirmation of the help and the achievements of the young girls. I, for one, also was an awardee of the 60 young girls during the 60th anniversary of the Girl Scouts of the Philippines. We also have the Chief Medal Girl Scouts. That is the project of the young girls in the community, which has a great impact in the barangays. And the Girl Scouts recognizes such efforts of the young girls to consolidate the funds and coordinate how to build that project within the community.
The last question na lang. As a lady legislator, lady vice governor, ano po ang mabigay niyo na model, example sa mga women, sa younger, sa ating bansa as a vice lady?
I, for one, pushes for being a teacher myself for 15 years before I became a Girl Scout, a vice governor. I, for one, would teach the young girls to study hard, to finish first their studies for whatever their dreams. You just finish your studies first. Second is you join the Girl Scouts, because in the Girl Scouts, they teach you how to be disciplined, resourceful, and again, empowered as a young girl. And number 3 is you always pray. You always pray for your dreams. But prayers alone cannot do miracles. You have to also uplift yourself and, of course, develop your talents.
Okay, parting statement, Attorney Karen Vice.
Panawagan or ano?
Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and it has been a great experience to be here in Cagayan de Oro City. I wish to be back and to see more. 3 days is not enough for me to enjoy your beautiful province. Thank you and mabuhay po.
Lastly,